This is Sparta!
There they are. I'll sneak up on the Malakes.
Let me go!
Suck it! Or I'll tighten those ropes!
She'll make good ransom drachmi for the Cyclops.
No one's gonna buy me from you. They're all poor.
Keep quiet, Phoebe. This tall grass will keep me hidden.
Pa sve sam sad prošao.
Don't let the rest of those Malakes get away.
Opa. A, na X se zvijedi.
Huh? I heard something. Stop that noise or I'll stop you! That noise is annoying.
That Marcos is going to be next.
Neće biti next.
Time to get Phoebe out of here.
Alexios, I'm here! Untie me!
Čekaj, vidi, prvo da se navuka.
Are you alright?
It wasn't so bad. Last time I put a cloth in my mouth so I'd stop biting.
Phoebe, just be careful. You're alone now since...
Since my parents died, I'm okay. I've got you, and you've got me and Marcos. We're your family, right?
Mhm.
You have to be stronger than that.
Don't give in! You have it! Got you.
Ali ga pokosi, je.
Again, up.
Yes, Father.
Spartan rises as soon as they have fallen. Ready your stuff. Widen your stance. A soldier grounds themselves. Hmm? Good. Good. Approach me.
That's enough, Nikolaos. The sun's going down. Time to eat, don't you think?
What are we eating tonight?
Tonight, we are having baby Cassandra. And what a feast she will be!
No, not her! Take me instead, I'm tasty!
Yes, yes, you're all sweet as honey. Now, come inside. The lamb's turning black.
Yeah. Lay her in bed.
Janjetna ispod sača, pa i ovio.
Alexis. You are my greatest pride. Remember that. You will bring this family to glory. Go.
Right.
You worry too much.
You don't worry enough.
We'll be alright if we watch out for each other. Which reminds me, the thug said you should watch your back.
What'd they say?
They said the Cyclops put a big bounty on you. Tell Talos the Stonefish wants you dead.
Talos, the mercenary. Oh, am I ever not in trouble?
Better get him before he gets you. I hear he's really mean. I'll find my way back to town. Here!
Here.
Talos, the stone feast? That's just what I need today. Another broken nose. I'm going to have to take care of that.
Samo loot. Moraš se naprobiti.
Sammy, Doris will be at the shop.
Get your boats here. Good for the whole family. Alec.
Hello, Doris. Business looks good.
Tell Marcos to come down here himself if he wants his money.
But I'm here now.
I was a little late paying. Now Marcos
Nee, maar-
says I owe him double because of interest. I don't have it to spare.
You should have thought of that when you borrowed drachmi, Doris.
But my family.
It's hot. I'm in a bad mood. And you're going to pay. We both know it. The question is, what do I break first? You or your merchandise?
You told Marcos I've paid enough already. I won't bow to a mercenary or to someone foolish enough to borrow money from the Cyclops.
Cyclops? That's how he bought his vineyard?
Look, I know you'd be dead without Marcos. What with him taking you off the street as a kid. But you know what he's doing is crazy.
Malaga. Still, that doesn't change the drachmi you owe.
Face it, once the Cyclops gets hold of you, you'll both be dead. Hey, stop! That's my stuff!
Ajde, spreman sam.
All right. I'll beg you, just stop. Fine. The money is yours. Just leave.
Pleasure doing business with you, Doris.
Keep my name off your lips. I don't want the Cyclops coming after me for the debt I can't pay.
Oho, ide. Biće boksa. Biće boksa. Dobio sam za ruke. Opa, već ličimo na ratnika malo bolje. Trči Aleksa, evo. Prvo zašto ovu misiju, pa ću onda malo na istraživanje, da ne bi zalutao, možda su veći level, a level 2 da me kolječe. To je Nick Scoot. Evo ovdje.
You're running out of time until the Cyclops comes for you, Malaka. He wants his money.
Could I have an extension?
When he sails back to Kefalonia, he'll come and break you as soon as he docks, if you don't get it.
Now, let's be civil.
You can't hide behind your glories, Mistios forever, Marcos. He'll kill you, the mercenary, and that little runt girl that hangs around.
Of course, not a problem. I'll get the drachmi.
Good. Or I'll come and watch the Cyclops feed you to his goats.
Ah, Alexios, I can tell from the smile on your face, Doris has paid you your drachmi.
Who's smiling? I just heard where you got the drachmi for the vineyard. Are you out of your fucking mind?
We can get the money back, can't we? I'm sure it's possible.
Joj, ali me sikiraš,
We
nabavit
have
ćemo
no
pa,
other
ajde.
choice now. We need a plan.
That's what I do best.
This will take more than the usual tricks up your sleeve.
I long for the old days. Remember them? They were simple. You had nothing, young and alone, and I had everything. And I gave you the world, Kefalonia, in the palm of your hand.
Cassandra!
Jel se udališ?
Don't see fishes like you every day, huh?
Tek je bio mlad.
You hungry? How about we make a deal? I do something for you. You do a few things for me. Everybody wins. Best offer you're gonna get. Eh, think about it.
Wait!
Kefalonia. Some gift.
You were nothing without Marcos. And look how
Yes,
far
yeah,
we've
that-
come. From an orphan on the streets to a Mistios with
Very
a
far.
house.
I know the Cyclops will take everything away. I can't protect you from him forever. He'll kill me too.
Oh, don't be scared of him. And look at you.
How could I go up against him? With what weapons? A rusty spear? A broken bow?
There you are. Skulking around the temple won't save you from me, Marcos.
Drusilla! I was just talking about you.
You were?
I need that wood, Marcos. These new bows will be the talk of the island. I can't make anything with those bandit malakes stopping the wood shipments.
Of course you can. Why, I was just filling my friend Alexios in on the details. He already has a plan to deal with these bandits.
You know me. Always prepared.
What did I tell you? He will leave no stone unturned.
I don't care who does it, but someone better got those bandits. Today.
A wonderful idea. I, for one, need to rush home. Alexios, I've cooked up a plan for our Cyclops dilemma. See me when you have time.
If you want your wood, you'll have to fix my broken bow first.
I usually only pay when the deed is done, but shit's moving at a snail's pace. These bows will make me rich as Chrysos.
They're that good, are they?
War's brewing. The Athenians need good bows if they want to hold off the Spartans.
Everybody benefits, I guess.
Who are you? Marcos? You should be tired of this small-time shit. You'd make a fortune in this war. Plus, I hear you're a secret Spartan.
That was a long time ago. I'm a Kefalonian.
Hand it over. There you go, good as new. That bow is as strong as Heracles himself. Give it a try. Shoot your arrow at those dummies. Fair is fair. Are you going to get my wood? Those fucking bandits need a thrashing.
Fair is fair.
Finally! Marcos sure is lucky he's got you as his scapegoat.
Any idea where these bandits are?
I'm not a tracker, I'm a boyer. They're in the mountains somewhere, that much I know. I'd check close to the lumber camps.
What's special about the
There's
wood?
plenty of trees around. Why do you need this type of wood?
I've been working on a new type of bow. It's more flexible, so it lasts longer and can fire at greater range. Only a very special kind of wood that grows high in the mountains will do.
I'll take care of the bandits.
Make sure that you do. And be quick about it.
Dobro, šta ti?
I'll deal with these bandits and get you the wood you need as fast as I can. Have patience. It won't take long.
Ha! If you knew how long Marcos has been feeding me excuses, you wouldn't be saying that. Alright, I did something for you. Now you do something for
Dobro,
me.
pa završi ti posao, stane, sekiraš. Naćemo sve, ajde, šuti tu. Šta ima misija, kako god Bog hoće. Ma šta će ovo?
Mighty Kefalus, I entreat you, send us a champion, someone worthy of your mighty
Evo ga,
spear.
našao je.
Help your priestess in her hour of need.
Hold.
Oh, Alexius, you startled me.
Why are you looking for a champion?
I need someone worthy to win the spear of Kefalus. I've been deciphering some of the sanctuary's stone carvings. They say the spear was hidden in the caves beneath Kefalonia when the temple was built. You could get it for me, couldn't you? I can give you a reward.
I'll find
The
it.
spear is in the caves. I'll find it.
Well, maybe you were sent by Kefalus.
Where is
Kefalus
the
had a
spear?
spear.
Alexios, surely you've heard this story since you were
Aj
a
ne
child.
serimo,
I
nisam
didn't
čuo
have much
priča,
time
šta
for
se dešava.
stories.
Well, perhaps you didn't. But you know Kefalus founded Kefalonia and started the line of Odysseus. His spear was a gift from the gods. It was said never to miss its target. He must have hidden it in the caves after killing his wife with it.
He threw a spear
Super,
that
yeah.
didn't miss at his wife.
He was hunting and heard her in the bushes. He thought she was a deer. It's a sad story.
Sounds dangerous.
Well, only if you throw it at someone.
Why do you need
Why
a
do you need
spear?
a spear? Not thinking of becoming a soldier, are you?
Of course not. But think how many people will come to the shrine if we have the spear of Kefalus. With their donations, I could do so many things. Repair the sanctuary, feed the hungry families in Sami.
Dobra, ajde, feed the hungry families. Ajde. Dobra sam duša očajna.
So where is this spear?
Apparently, it's hidden deep in the caves beneath Kefalonia. There's an entrance north of here. Maybe you can try that way first.
That's not much to go on.
You have so little faith in the gods. If Kefalus means for us to have the spear, you will find it.
Naću ga, ajde, naću.
I'll see what I
Sve
can
ću
find.
naći.
Oh, thank you. I'll prepare a spot in the sanctuary.
Ajde. Da. You are close to the target. Znači, tamo u onoj pećini. Vide. Šta se kolutaš nesreće, trči. O moj Aleksa moj, sam mi si tiraš. Finding acquired spear track quest, pa koji trenutno i radim. Koliko me memorija služi. Skoči evo! Sve spaje. Aha, loot. Malo još tako. Tu nema. Ovdje. Šta se veriš ko majmun jebo? Gdje sam ovo, gospode dragi?
This area will be well defended.
Ja sam za lutu. Šta im radi? Pa sina, ja sam najjači Assasin što postoji na planeti, bri. Našao sam. Treći sam, da. Oho. This is Spartan, nisi znao. Mislio sam da ga udarim nogom, ali omašio sam. Ja ispustim sve života. Vide jebo, vanju su. Šta je ovaj radio, ne sveća? Pravi se Aleksijus, nemoj se zabaviti. Rešava misija kao prvo. I znam šta ću uzeti, sad ću uzeti. Imam bolji mač. Imam... Što to? Treći level, ima šta treći level, ima ništa. Treba mi... Ability. Uzet ću ovo. Na V. Znači V. E sad imamo ovo. V. Ne, jebote. To... Sad ako nešto propustim... Znači. I od ovom da vidim, pošto je bio drugi put tamo u pećini. Da vidimo šta se zbiva, možda sam nešto omašio. Velika igrica, mnogo zanimljiva u pičku. Skači, Aleksa. Aleksa. Evo, ovdje je bio putić. Kao što možete da vidite. Ovo nema ništa. Gdje sam sad? Gdje sam ovo, Bog te? Oj. Ti si Sparta. Trči, Aleksa, trči. Jedno hrano. Ja moram sad. Šta si ti došla? Dobar pokušaj. Našao sam koplje, gospoja.
Alexios, have you come back to talk about the spear?
I have.
Oh, good. Tell me, did you find it?
Consider it a donation to the temple.
What? No reward? Oh, Alexios, I'm in your debt. If ever there's a way my temple can help you, or anyone, send them here. I will remember.
Dobro. Ćeš zapamtiti.